Good Monday morning. I'm next weather meteorologist Lisette Gonzalez, and yesterday we did have some torrential rain and even flash flooding for parts of South Florida. And don't put away your umbrella just yet. You'll need the rain gear again today as scattered showers and storms will be moving through. Hey, I'm tracking our next cold front set to arrive later this week in time for Halloween, and Hurricane Melissa is now a Category 5, and we'll get to that in a moment. But locally, at least, we are waking up to a quiet start this morning, but later on we'll see another round of rain. And it's warm out there in muggy too. 80 degrees in Fort Lauderdale, 79 in Miami, 82 in Key West, upper 70s for Kendall as well as Pembroke Pines, and highs will climb to the mid to upper 80s. Our rain chances will be rising as we head into the afternoon and evening, and that's what we're seeing with our next weather rain tracker. So it's right around 2-3 p.m. we'll start to see a couple of showers pop up, but more widespread rain is likely going to move in 5, 6, 7 p.m. for the evening rush. Just give yourself extra time, and it could be quite wet and messy. Tomorrow morning dry to start, but then we'll see another round of some spotty showers as we head into the afternoon, but the rain chance will be lower tomorrow. It's today that we have a frontal boundary just to our north, and with that breeze going off the ocean, that'll carry in the moisture in the form of these scattered showers and storms. Then as we look ahead to later this week, Hurricane Melissa is actually going to stay to our east and over the Bahamas because of this other cold front that I'm tracking, and this is a front that is going to allow for some isolated rain showers on Thursday before the coolest air of the season arrives just in time for Halloween on Friday. Here's a sneak peek at our morning lows. We'll likely be waking up to the low 70s of the Keys, but really it's Broward and Dade County where we're talking sweater weather as we'll wake up to the low 60s here in Miami, Fort Lauderdale. But let's talk about the tropics now, because we are now keeping our friends in Jamaica and Cuba and Haiti and the Caribbean in our thoughts, because this is such a dangerous hurricane. In fact, as we take a look at the latest satellite image, you'll notice that it is forecast to move here across parts of Cuba and Jamaica as we head through the day today. So we'll take a look here at the satellite in a moment, because we are seeing that it is just a dangerous hurricane, and it will be moving slowly to the west at 3 miles an hour with max sustained winds of 160 miles an hour, making landfall likely tomorrow morning here across Jamaica, still as a Cat 5, then a Cat 4 or 3 over Cuba as we head into Wednesday morning before it then heads towards the Bahamas here Thursday, and then by Friday a Cat 1 towards Bermuda. So looking at that wind field, the hurricane force winds in the red will be likely arriving early tomorrow morning, and then for Cuba it'll likely be late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Then eventually for the Bahamas in the afternoon, Wednesday around 1 p.m. is when we'll see those hurricane conditions. And so yes, there is a concern here for life-threatening and catastrophic storm surge winds and flooding. And you'll notice hurricane warnings for Jamaica, Cuba, hurricane watch for the Bahamas, tropical storm warnings for parts of Haiti. Rainfall could reach 15 to 30 inches of rain or more than that in spots. As we head through the day today, we'll see those scattered showers, lower rain chances tomorrow, even drier Wednesday, breezy, cooler Thursday morning, waking up to the upper 60s, even cooler Friday morning, wake up to the low 60s with a high of around 80 degrees for Halloween.